Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a graphite gray metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof, coming around back. Got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, a nice natural grain gray oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. We've also got an LED logo projector when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. We've got our new redesigned touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. New to Mercedes is our multimedia touchscreen, which is displayed on a 10.25 high resolution screen. Got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our hard keys, cup holders, our new touchpad for our multimedia, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 4,088 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.